You might be losing money every single day, and not even realize it. Not because of big mistakes, but because of small habits you repeat without thinking. A coffee here, a quick purchase there. It feels harmless. But over time, these tiny mistakes can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. In this video, I'll show you 7 money mistakes you probably make every day, and how to fix them before they quietly drain your finances. Part 1, The Real Problem. Most people think financial problems come from big decisions, but that's not true. They come from small habits, repeated every single day. And the dangerous part is, these habits don't feel like mistakes. That's why people don't fix them, and keep losing money without noticing. Let's start with the most common one. Part 2, Common Money Mistakes. Mistake 1, Ignoring small expenses. A coffee, a snack, a quick purchase. It feels small. But if you spend just $10 a day, that's $300 a month, and over $3,000 a year. Track your spending for just 1 week. You'll immediately see where your money is going. Mistake 2, Impulse buying. Buying things just because they're on sale, or because you feel like it in the moment. This is one of the fastest ways to lose money. Use the 24-hour rule. Wait before you buy, most impulses disappear. Mistake 3, Using credit too easily. I'll buy now and pay later sounds convenient, but it often creates long-term stress. Especially when it's for things you don't really need. Ask yourself one question: is this improving my financial situation, or making it worse? Mistake 4, Saving what's left. Most people try to save at the end of the month. But by then, there's nothing left. Save first, not last. Even a small amount, done consistently, changes everything. Mistake 5, Paying for things you don't use. Subscriptions, apps, services. Money quietly leaves your account every month. Check your subscriptions once a month. Cancel anything you don't actually use. Mistake 6, Rushing big purchases. Buying expensive things too quickly can cost you a lot. Phones, furniture, cars. Emotional decisions lead to expensive mistakes. For example, a new car loses a large part of its value within a few years. Slow down. Research, compare, and give yourself time before deciding. Mistake 7, No clear financial goal. If your money has no direction, it disappears. Without goals, spending becomes automatic. Set clear targets: emergency fund, savings, investments, or something meaningful to you. Part 2, Key Insight. Here's the truth most people don't realize: you don't lose money all at once. You lose it slowly, through daily habits. And that means you can also fix it, through daily decisions. Final part. You don't need to be perfect with money. You just need to be aware, and consistent. Fix these 7 mistakes, and you won't just save money. You'll take control of your financial life. Engagement. Now I want to ask you, which of these mistakes do you think you make the most? And which one will you fix first? Write it in the comments. And if you want more simple, practical financial advice, subscribe and stay with me.